Lonzo Ball's craziest fashion moment was way colder than you remember. Cold Ice Fire. Lonzo Ball has always been more than just a basketball player. From his time with the Lakers to his rise in the NBA, Lonzo has also built a reputation for having his own unique style, and one old-fashioned moment proves just how different his approach really was. Ice Fire. Back in the day, Lonzo wasn't afraid to stand out. While some NBA stars relied on flashy jewelry, expensive sneakers, and obvious designer logos, Lonzo had his own way of putting an outfit together. And that is exactly why this throwback moment hits differently today. Cold Face. Lonzo was once part of the young Lakers generation alongside players like Kyle Kuzma, Brandon Ingram, and Josh Hart. During that era, NBA fashion was becoming almost as entertaining as the games themselves. The Lakers even discussed the difference between drip and swag with their young players. Lonzo's own definition was simple. Drip was about the clothes and jewelry, while swag was about how you actually wore them. That mindset explains why some of Lonzo's old looks still get people talking. He wasn't simply trying to copy everybody else. He wanted his outfits to have personality. And when you look back at some of those old photos, it becomes obvious that Lonzo was experimenting with fashion before many fans fully appreciated it. There was also a strong connection between Lonzo and the Big Baller brand era. His signature ZO2 sneakers became one of the most talked-about basketball shoes of that period, with the packaging and presentation designed to feel much more luxurious than a traditional basketball sneaker. Whether you loved the style or thought it was completely over the top, one thing is undeniable. Lonzo Ball was never afraid to be different. That is what makes these throwback moments so interesting. Fashion trends change constantly, but some NBA looks become unforgettable simply because the player had enough confidence to wear something nobody else would. And Lonzo definitely had that confidence. Years later, fans can look back at these moments and realize that the style was actually much colder than they remembered. Cold Fire. Maybe Lonzo wasn't just ahead of the game on the basketball court. Maybe he was ahead of the fashion game too. Eyes. What do you think? Was Lonzo Ball one of the most underrated NBA fashion icons of his generation? Drop your verdict in the comments. Basketball Fire.